Got this Brute 750. So the issue I had was belt ripped, and then I had CVT light turned on, was blinking. I watched the YouTube videos how to reset it. None of them helped except one, which was smart. So what he did, disconnected this thing and plugged in this bypass first. Then you turn on the ignition, wait for like 10 seconds, then turn it off. Don't do anything there. Go over here. You have to unplug this guy. Unplug it. And then turn it on again for 10 seconds. And then turn it off. Then plug this guy in again. Well, you had it unplugged, so plug it in. And then unplug this one and plug it in the original wire that goes there. And then your CVT light will be off. Just like that right there. So none of the videos I watched showed the way to do it. They only told me to do this, disconnect this, and they told me for some reason disconnect this wire for some reason, which is like a thermostat, which is kind of dumb. So first disconnect that, plug it in the bypass, turn on the key for 10 seconds, turn it off, disconnect this guy, turn on for 10 seconds again, turn it off, plug it in the original wire back in, and then you should be good to go. That's what fixed my CVT light, and it also fixed the power issue because it goes to a limp mode, so it won't have a full power. That also fixed it. But take care, guys. Hope this helps you guys out, because researching online is not always the best. You'll be spending all day searching for this, which I did, and I finally find the solution to reset it. And then also, when you put the new belt, it's gonna give you hard shifting. Sometimes it won't go to neutral. Don't worry, you just ride it, go ride it around, get the belt, break it in, and then it should be getting better and better and better. It's not gonna get better right away after the first ride, so it's gonna get better in a little bit. There's no way to adjust it there, so it is what it is. You have to break it in, guys. Take care.